is from the North Water Tribe. This character was introduced in 2005, and in the story, The Siege of the North Part 2, and she's a lunar influence. She's a spiritual rebirth. She's water bending empowerment. So I guess that's that moon connection to the water, tidal balance, as well as cosmic restoration. She was created, this is that Nickelodeon series. And, this is like a tribal princess. So we see like all the avatar powers that are associated with the moon grants her ultimate water bending powers. And they give her a long story. Like, there's actually a really good backstory along with this character. I'm not really going to get into it, but just establishing that this character actually does exist and kind of how they go about making that same connection with the moon. So we kind of see those powers repeatedly in that ideology of the feminine moon presence. And then this character here, man, is another one I really like.